To what he has vulgarly made a statement. And Ardent's asylum by himself, it seems he knows everything. What is going on inside a closed door conference between the executive committee and the members of the Rangbah Hima Sohra? We were quite surprised. We would have just keep quiet if they had done anything, whatever they want. But the fact that we are here today is because it is unfortunate that he made Ardent had just choose to make a political issue out of the traditional customary practices.